Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss CBSE class 10 maths chapter 7 coordinate geometry, the 10th example. Let's look into the question, children. If the points A, B, C and D are the vertices of a parallelogram. So they have given us that they are the vertices of a parallelogram A, B, C and taken in order. So we have also taken it in order only. They are asking us to find out the value of P. So for this, you need to know the properties of all these shapes. We've already discussed in the previous exercise also. So for a parallelogram, what can we say about this? We can say that the coordinates of the midpoint of AC. So if A, B, C and D are there, okay, the midpoint of AC will be equal to the midpoint of BD. We're talking about the midpoint, children. I'm not talking about the length. The length of the diagonals are not equal, but the midpoints, okay, but the midpoint of BD and the midpoint of AC will be equal. So now here we are going to use the midpoint formula. We are going to use the midpoint formula. So what is the midpoint formula, children? It is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so here we are going to find for AC and then midpoint of BD. Okay, so we can say that midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Point of BD. So for AC, we'll have this one as x1, y1, this one as x2, y2. For this, we can have this one as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. So now we'll do it accordingly, children. So for x1, y1, what do we have here? So we have 6 plus 9 divided by 2, 1 plus 2. So it's 1 plus y1 plus y2. Okay, so first we are doing these two. So 1 plus 4 divided by 2, that is equal to, see, this is 8 plus p. Okay, it is 8 plus p divided by 2, 2 plus 3 divided by 2. So what we'll get here, 6 plus 9, which will be 15 by 2, 5 by 2 will be equal to 8 plus p by 2, 5 by 2. We've already got 5 by 2, 5 by 2. So we are going to just equate the x coordinates. So we'll have 15 by 2 is equal to 8 plus p by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So you will have 15. 8 if you bring it here, minus 8 is equal to p. So your value of p will be 7. So therefore p is what? 7. Is it clear, children? So it is very easy. Okay, so the value of p is going to be 7 here. So value of p is 7. How will we be doing it? We are doing it by checking for the properties of the parallelogram. Children, you need to remember the various properties for a square and a rectangle. Okay, you can say that the diagonals bisect. Diagonals bisect. Okay, for a rhombus and for a parallelogram, okay, you can say that diagonals do not bisect. Do not bisect. But here for this parallelogram, we have said that the midpoints are the same. Midpoint of the diagonals are equal. Midpoints of the diagonals are equal. So using that, we have found out the value of p. Therefore, the value of p we found it to be 7. Okay, the value of p is found to be 7, and this is our answer. Is it clear, children? So with this, we are done with the example questions before this exercise 7.2. So we'll go through the questions one by one. The upcoming videos, children, please go through the concepts, go through the exercises and example questions which you've already posted. And I want you to start trying with the exercises so that it will be easy for you as you look into the videos for the exercises. Okay, see you again in the next video, the next question, children. Thank you, children.